Alright, this is awesome video filters. Now, here's my setup. I got 6 picture boxes here, and they got a back color of white, a border style of fixed 3D, and a size mode of stretched image. And then I also have a timer at 10 milliseconds, enable is always true. That's all the setup there is to this for the form. And then we also got to install the Emgu stuff. And I'll link a video on how to specifically install Emgu.CV. I'm just start installing Emgu.CV, make my life easier. Anyways, look at this. It's easy. This generates those 6 boxes of pictures in very little code. And what I want to show to you specifically is the things you can do with it, and I'll explain a little bit why each one's cool. So the first image I have is simply the image from my webcam. That'll be the top left box. The top middle box will be dilate. Top right will be erode. Bottom left will be not. Bottom middle will be a rotated. And the bottom right is a canny. What's a canny? Well, let me show you. Hit play here. Get right to this. Whoa, trippy. Look at all that good stuff right there. Okay, so the top right one is the image that my webcam is capturing right now. That is the live me image. Now, mind you, this is really stinking slow because it's doing quite a bit of processing. In fact, I may need to put my laptop on top of the air conditioner unit just to get this thing to not shut down on me. Now, the top middle one, yeah, I'm gonna do that. This thing is like burning hot. And pull everything out while I'm at it. Alright. Hopefully you can still hear me thanks to this air conditioner unit. But the top right, or sorry, top left, my mistake, is me and my live image. Top middle here is dilate. Top right is erode. Bottom left is not, then rotate, then canny. Now, I want to go over these one at a time. Erode, or sorry, dilate, the one here at the top center, that basically takes a, how do I explain this? See, I'm a controls engineer, is my profession, and I work with like vision sensors, specifically like cameras that read barcodes and see if there is or is not something on a part, like usually an engine head or you name it, I've made it, like axles and whatnot. So anyways, there is, say, barcodes. If the barcode's really dark, you would use a dilate function to bring out the white in the barcode so that it can be read better. And just the same with erode, it brings out the darkness. Now, let me put my face in the light here, and you can see that my face is now pretty washed out on this side. Now, look at the dilate here. My eye is pretty much gone. Whereas on the erode side, my eye is very visible, just almost as much as the other side is as well. And so this is, and it also kind of makes it blocky as well, and that is just awesome for barcodes, especially those 2D matrices. Alright, going back to the air conditioner because I fear for my laptop's life. The bottom left here is invert. What good is invert? None. It's just cool. Alright, now here is the rotate. Now the math or the code for this is just too simple. It's basically image 1, which is my original image taken from my webcam, rotate 45 in degrees, and the background. So I just define black. And here we are. There's my black background rotated 45 degrees. That couldn't be simpler. I mean, what can you do with that? Well, you can make a cool little Fresh Prince of Bel-Air video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. You're probably too young. Or in a different country. Anyways, now the last one here is called Canny Edge Detection. And Canny Edge Detection is really stinking sweet, as that it sees the edges and does this edge detection extremely quickly. Wikipedia has actually got some good images on that, and Canny is C-A-N-N-Y, and it'll show you edges. Now, it's real simple to make like a real quick tool that would find a box or find a line and tell you where that line is. It's great for edge detection, and like the cameras that I use for work would use Canny edge detection to define lines in it. So as that, I would say find a line within this box and, you know, tell me where it is in the image so that I know maybe I can fixture a pattern off that or something. So this is really cool, and I'm sure Emgu.CV has more things you can do with Canny, but this is just showing you what Canny is and what it can do so that you can understand Canny. Haha, poor joke. So anyways, check out the center top here and check out my gigantic smile. Yeah, look at those teeth. Alright, have fun with that.